Hello guys, right now I have two Samsung Galaxy Z6 on my hand. I have bought this store phone about 12 months and 7 days ago, and I'm still using this store phone with very usually. Today I'm gonna tell you about this phone after using 1 year, about its performance, its hardware performance and software, and also its overall review. Before that, you are kindly requested to subscribe my channel and to hit the thumbs up button. It has two variations of RAM, 3GB and 4GB, and both of them has 32GB external storage, and also have a battery backup of 3000 mAh. It's used by Exynos 7870 octa processor. It has a single main camera of 13MP with resolution of 1080p and 30fps frame rate. Also have a single front camera of 8MP and 1080p 30fps frame rate. As I told you that it has 3000 mAh battery backup, and its backup is also really awesome. I can use this phone with 100% charge up to 7 or 8 hours without skipping with internet connection. Even if I use it formally, I can use it till 20 hours. I mean 1 day long of its battery backup as formal user. Its gaming performance was also too good without any leaking and with a high resolution. One of the biggest secrets behind this Samsung Galaxy Z6 is using a display of 720p resolution. Because of having 720p resolution display, its charging backup is having a good performance with a battery of 3000 mAh. As you know that Super AMOLED display is one of the most popular identity of Samsung. There is no other competitor behind this Super AMOLED display, and that's why its display emulation was also too good. It has an Android 8 Oreo operating system, but it's upgradable to Android 10 and Android 10 One UI 2.0. There is nothing to say about One UI of Samsung. It's very smooth and easy to use. It's built with a plastic body and plastic frame, and with Gorilla front glass, which is very strong enough to use without any confusion. Since I'm using it for 1 year, I didn't have any problem with this plastic body. But a problem that I have faced in this 1 year is not having a fast charger. Because of not having a fast charger, it takes about 2.5 hours to load this battery till 100%. We usually listen some myths about a smartphone that when it's new it performs well, but after passing some days it gets too many troubles. But after using 1 year this Samsung Galaxy Z6, I didn't get something like this. Still, after 1 year, it's performing as before, like new. Its camera quality is also good. In spite of having a 13MP camera, it's performing very good, and its selfie camera of 8MP is also better, and video quality of 1080p and 30fps is also better, not bad as usual. If you are using it usually, there is no problem, but when you are using some heavy apps, your phone may get hang. Now let's have some information that we usually think about a smartphone. One of them is heating issue. Since I've been using these phones for 1 year, I'm not getting any heating trouble as I'm a heavy smartphone user. Even I use this phone continuously from 100 to 0% charge without skipping, I don't face any heating issue of these phones. Even if I use it while it's charging, I don't also get any heating problem, and that's the best point for me as a heavy user and as a user of Samsung Galaxy Z6. Another confusion that we always think about a smartphone is if you use your headphone connected with your smartphone while your smartphone is charging, you may get an electrical shock. But in this 1 year, I have used too many times my headphone while my smartphone is charging without any trouble and any problem. But you are suggested not to try this. Now let's have some finishing information. Price of Samsung Galaxy Z6 that I have paid is 180 US dollar. So if you are a heavy user, have a lowest budget, and want a well-performing smartphone, then Samsung Galaxy Z6 is for you. Thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe to make me inspired.